welcome back to the second episode of the Back to School series. Today I'm going to do tips and hacks for back to school, so I hope you all enjoy and let's get into it. So this first hack is for when you're always losing your hairbands. I just always one day have 10 hairbands and then the next day I look in my backpack and then I run out. And then I have to go around asking for a hairband, and it's really annoying, especially for people that are in PE or doing a sport. It's a very good idea to use this hack. What you have to do is take a binder clip and put however many ponytails you want on it so you can keep track of them. So the second one, if people always ask you for pencils, all the ones you have are really good mechanical pencils, and you don't want to say no, and you at least want to help them out and stuff. And then you have to give them the mechanical pencil, and then they forget to give it back to you or just don't give it back to you, and then you're just running out of pencils within a week of school. If you still just at least want to help them out, you can just get some crappy pencils that are laying around your house.
Hey, can I borrow a pencil or something?
Sure.
Here you go.
Thanks. Hey, wait, can I? That was my good pencil. Sure. The third tip, I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of this app, but I totally recommend Quizlet.
I should have brought my science study guide while I'm here waiting for the orthodontist. Wait a second, I forgot. I can just study on Quizlet. Yes, I'm going to ace this test.
So if you're just somewhere waiting in a waiting room, or just somewhere where you don't have your backpack or your note cards, but you have your phone, you can pretty much study anywhere. So the fourth tip is putting your schedule on your lock screen of your phone, just so you always have your schedule right by you and you don't have to dig around looking for your schedule in one of your folders or whatever.
Oh, where's my schedule? I'm gonna be late for class. Next class is Science Room 214, and I'm going to be early.
Tip number 5 is putting your alarm clock across the room. This might not help if you're a really heavy sleeper and you just sleep through anything, but if you're not, this might help a lot. So basically you just put it across the room, and then when your alarm clock goes off, you're kind of forced to go get up and get it, unless you want to try sleeping through your annoying alarm clock. Tip number 6 is for when you have just a bunch of notebooks and you have to take every single one out to see which subjects they are. So instead of doing that, you can just color the top of them with marker or highlighter, and you can just make a color for each subject.
Oh, where's my science notebook? No, that's my English notebook. science is light blue.
Tip number 7 for note taking. I just find it really helpful when I write in different colors. First of all, it makes it a little bit more fun. And then also, it's easier to find stuff when you're going through your notes.
Alright class, today we are going to do some notes. Boring. I just love taking notes.
So number 8, I know no one wants to do it. I don't even want to do it, but trust me, it totally does help if you wake up a little bit earlier, starting a few days before school starts. It really does help to kind of train your brain to start getting up early so it won't be really, really hard to get up the first day. So tip number 9 is listening to an audiobook. So if you're just really busy with other homework or chores or whatever you have to do, I totally recommend listening to an audiobook. You can also usually just find an audiobook on YouTube as well. And just when you're getting ready or doing chores or whatever, you can just listen to the audiobook.
And the last tip is do anything you can the night before, like laying out your clothes or packing your lunch or even straightening your hair.
Alright everyone, that is it. I hope these tips and hacks just made your back to school experience just a little bit easier. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next couple back to school videos, and like this video if you liked it. Also, I totally recommend going back in my channel and watching my last back to school video if you have not already. It was 5 easy vegan lunch ideas for back to school. But anyways, I will see you next week. Bye!